guys, what is up? I'm super excited to be hanging out with my best friend today. We decided to stop at Callaway Winery here. It is absolutely beautiful, so we're just doing some wine tasting, and then afterwards we're gonna have some dinner. See this view. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, so along in this journey I decided that I wanted to start wearing makeup again, and so I did acquire some slight acne in this area, so I'm definitely using my mask. Just want to update you guys, this is my second time using this, and this is the second week. So I did it once last week, I'm doing it once this week, but obviously started wearing makeup in between, which kind of messed up my thing. But I do want to wear makeup occasionally. I think I just need to be more careful for the brands that I use. Hey loves, what is up? So I kind of wanted to bring you guys along with me to show you what, grab this. Okay, right by the highway. It's going on, take you to behind the scenes of my life as a brand strategist, as a marketer, as a social media influencer. So today we are here in California, San Diego. I just walked up a hill with some high heels on. That was intense. So I'm headed to a networking event now. I'm excited to meet the ladies here. I'm excited to connect and also network and see how I can help someone else here.
Of course, we have Miss Christelle Stacy, founder / CEO of Holy Matcha here in San Diego. San Diego's first matcha cafe. Holy Matcha's my life, Holy Matcha's my baby. It was just out of pure annoyance that I thought of it and had no idea how difficult it would be or what I needed to start a business. So I literally Googled, and Googled was my mentor, my best friend, my business partner, as I Googled everything on how to get started. And I also went down to the city, the health department, and asked them, like, what do I need to start a business?
Hi everybody, so I am here at the networking event. It is quite beautiful. I've literally just met 4 people, exchanged social contacts, people who I will potentially help in the future, and just being around so many cool items, so many great vendors, like for example the Boozy Bee. I'm gonna find very interesting, cool things. We're gonna take all the secret of these businesses, so it's very exciting. I'm about to go network some more. Cheers. Mariah of XO Galore. Hi guys. Yes, make sure you check out her. Yes. So I'm staying at the MGM when I go to Vegas, so I actually have the flight to go to Vegas, but I'm not sure if they have a washer and dryer. Sometimes I don't really like the way the people handle my things, and you never, like, I don't know, I'm just very particular about my stuff. So I am here at the laundromat. Travel hack if you're doing long time travel. Hey, now you come over here and you put the clothes in the dryer. Yeah, traveling a lot, and like I just like to be in control of my clothes. Like I like to make sure that nobody's cutting my different colors. Okay, lit. So I'm at the airport. My flight is at 9:50, so It is 8 now, so I have like 2 hours to chill out, maybe grab something to eat, do some work. I literally just had a huge like dinner, so I don't think I'll probably get any food, but I don't know, maybe I'll get like a slight snack or something. I don't know. But I need to do something in this time. You know what? I know what I do. I'll do some work. Alright guys,
Thank you, and we'll be departing shortly.
on the next plane. I'm headed to Vegas. So I have a conference there. I'll be there for a week, then to LA, and then to San Diego. So busy time. I'm gonna relax. I think I'm gonna take this time to nap because I've been up since like 5 a.m.